In the food processing industry, the farming and processing of poultry play a crucial role in ensuring quality and food safety. Ducks, in particular, have a distinct odor, which requires careful and strict handling from farming to processing. Join us in today's video as we explore the entire journey from duck farming to processing and see how farmers manage this process. The duck farming model, which combines spacious housing with a water pond, creates a natural living environment that allows ducks to grow healthily and produce high-quality meat. The duck house is built on an elevated, spacious foundation, with scientifically arranged feeding and drinking troughs to ensure easy access to food and clean water. Farmers gently herd the ducks into a designated area when it's time for harvest, and carefully tie their legs with soft rope for easy handling. Each duck is carefully weighed before being loaded onto the truck, ready for transportation to processing plants and factories. This well-organized harvesting process ensures both the safety of the ducks and high economic efficiency for farmers. When the truck carrying ducks arrives at the processing plant, workers quickly unload them and move them to the processing area. The ducks are then passed through an automatic plucking machine, which swiftly removes most of the feathers. After that, workers carefully inspect and manually clean any remaining feathers to ensure the product meets hygiene standards. Once the processing is complete, the ducks are sorted and packaged according to requirements. Compared to ducks processed in small workshops, those handled in large processing plants meet higher hygiene standards, thanks to an automated and closed-loop system. First, the ducks are placed on a feather plucking conveyor, where modern machinery efficiently removes feathers quickly and evenly. Once this step is completed, Workers proceed with a crucial stage, removing the internal organs to ensure the cleanliness and quality of the product. Organs such as the liver, heart, and intestines are separated and processed according to strict safety protocols. Workers debone the meat, removing any unwanted parts to ensure the final product meets the highest quality standards. Industrial cutting machines are then used to divide the duck meat into evenly sized portions, ensuring consistency, firmness. Once cut, the duck meat is packaged in specialized packaging that helps maintain freshness and quality over time.
The global marvel of coconuts, the ultimate summer drink globally recognized as the quintessential symbol of summer, the coconut stands out as a tropical gem loved by millions. Known as the paradise drink of summer, its naturally sweet and refreshing taste is instantly familiar to people all around the world. But the coconut is more than just a seasonal treat, it's a powerhouse that impacts countless industries and enriches lives globally in numerous ways. Each year, an incredible 70 million tons of coconuts are consumed worldwide. From delicious beverages and luxurious beauty products to natural medicines and premium food ingredients, coconuts offer an impressive array of valuable resources. The magic of the coconut goes beyond its flavorful fruit. Its lightweight design ensures ease of use, while still providing the strength to cut through large tree trunks, enhancing workflow efficiency. 2030 CS Roundwood Processing Machine, precision and power combined. The 2030 CS Roundwood Processing Machine, with a 56 horsepower engine, is perfect for handling large firewood logs. Its advanced design ensures fast and precise cuts, leaving minimal waste. This machine is a modern marvel of efficiency, ideal for high-demand wood processing operations. John Deere 27D excavator with nitrogen cutting attachment, speed and precision for wood processing requiring both speed and precision. This dynamic duo splits logs and transports them with unmatched speed and precision, significantly reducing manual labor. By streamlining both tasks, this machine enhances overall efficiency, allowing operators to focus on high-value tasks while the equipment handles the heavy lifting. Chainsaw Showdown: Stihl MS881 vs Husqvarna 3120 XP. When comparing top-tier chainsaws, the Stihl MS881 and the Husqvarna 3120 XP are two formidable contenders. The Stihl MS881, with its 6.4 horsepower engine, excels at cutting large logs with precision. The Husqvarna 3120 XP, with a 6.5 horsepower engine, offers a slightly stronger output, perfect for demanding tasks. The John Deere 27D excavator with a nitrogen cutting attachment is the perfect solution. Its powerful engine and optimized design enable quick and efficient splitting. Using manual shearing techniques, farmers remove the goat's soft undercoat and long outer hairs. Special shearing tools ensure that the goats are not harmed during the process. Afterward, the wool is thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, oils, and contaminants, then dried and stored for further processing into high-quality fabrics. The milk and meat of fiber goats, valuable products in addition to their wool. Fiber goats are also raised for their milk, which is gently harvested using automatic milking systems. Special drying ovens regulate temperature and humidity, ensuring the meat retains its texture, nutritional value, and quality for use across various industries. Coconut shells: from waste to resource, often discarded as waste, the coconut shell is actually a valuable resource. Through specialized processing, coconut shells can be repurposed for organic farming as a natural fertilizer or used as biodegradable material for eco-friendly products. They are also used to create charcoal, activated carbon, and other sustainable materials, contributing to a greener planet. The coconut is a true model of sustainability, as every part of the plant can be utilized. Coconuts, a cornerstone of the global economy. Coconuts play an integral role in local economies and the global marketplace. Beyond providing employment in farming and processing, they fuel industries such as cosmetics, food, and pharmaceuticals. These remarkable natural resources contribute in so many ways, from promoting sustainability to offering high-quality products across a wide range of industries. We hope this exploration has illuminated the fascinating processes behind these incredible plants and animals. Share your thoughts with us, and don't forget to tune in for our next video, where we'll continue to uncover captivating stories from around the world. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you in the next adventure. Its robust design allows for maximum efficiency and safety in the most challenging environments, ensuring precision with every cut, even under intense use. The John Deere 1470E, king of harvesting. The John Deere 1470E sets the bar for timber harvesting. Powered by a 210 horsepower engine, it swiftly handles even the largest trees, completing entire harvesting operations in record time. Its exceptional speed and power make it an unstoppable force, whether navigating rugged terrain or dense forests. Precision and durability are at the core of the 1470E, maximizing productivity while ensuring the safety of the operator in even the most difficult conditions. Helicopter timber transport: elevating forestry. Helicopter timber transport is revolutionizing the way logs are moved. Logging tasks. Even the outer shell, often overlooked as waste, holds an amazing potential with multiple uses. Join us as we take you on a journey through the fascinating world of coconut farms and explore the steps involved in transforming coconuts into valuable products. Coconut harvesting, a rewarding yet demanding process. Harvesting coconuts is no small feat. It requires skill, strength, and extensive knowledge of the trees. Farmers climb towering coconut palms to harvest the coconuts by hand, a practice that has been passed down through generations. Each coconut tree is a prolific producer, yielding anywhere from 70 to 100 coconuts annually, making the harvest process both labor-intensive and crucial to the local economy. After the coconuts are gathered, farmers remove the outer husk to make transport easier. Both chainsaws are built to last, offering exceptional durability and performance in the toughest logging environments. Handheld chainsaws for emergency situations. Fast, efficient, powerful in emergency situations, handheld chainsaws are essential. With a 5-horsepower engine, these chainsaws rapidly cut through fallen trees and debris, allowing for swift and safe cleanup or rescue operations. Whether clearing paths after a storm or assisting in emergency situations, they provide the power and portability necessary for quick action. The Ottawa 4HP Chainsaw. Compact power for those needing portability without sacrificing power. The Ottawa 4HP Chainsaw is the ideal choice. This 4-horsepower engine delivers substantial cutting power, making it perfect for heavy-duty. With a 1,500 horsepower engine, these helicopters effortlessly carry heavy timber loads across inaccessible terrain, cutting down transport time and resource consumption. Capable of hovering and moving logs through steep, hilly landscapes, they offer a faster and more efficient solution than traditional machinery. This technological leap in forestry has redefined timber transport, especially in remote areas where ground access is impossible. Efficient wood splitting. The HF800 2-speed screw splitter. When speed and efficiency are paramount, the HF800 2-speed screw splitter delivers. With a powerful engine and dual speed settings, this machine adapts to various wood types, from softwoods to tougher hardwoods. By allowing operators to adjust for optimal performance, it excels